There are things on earth your brain was never designed to process. Not because they are dangerous, but because when humans sees them, something breaks inside our logic. Your instincts hesitate, your sense of scale collapses, and reality stops feeling friendly. These aren't monsters, they aren't myths, they are real places, moments, and discoveries that make the human mind quietly whisper, I don't belong here. Today, you're going to see things humans were never meant to see. Humans evolved to understand small spaces, familiar lights, predictable movement, but the universe doesn't care about comfort. Some things exist outside our mental limits. Too big, too old, too silent, too strange. And when we face them, our brain doesn't feel curious, it feels threatened. Let's begin. Number 1. The true size of the universe. Look at the sky. It feels peaceful, but that's a lie your brain tells you. Because Earth is smaller than a grain of sand in the observable universe. There are over 2 trillion galaxies. Each galaxy has billions of stars. Each stars may have planets. When people truly imagine that scale, something unsettling happens. Your problems feel fake. Your body feels temporary. Your life feels microscopic. The universe isn't large. It's inhumanly large. Your brain evolved to survive in villages, not infinite darkness. When humans see the real size of reality, the mind quietly panics. Number 2. The deep ocean. We've explored more of spaces than our own ocean. Below 1,000 meters, light disappears. Pressure becomes crushing. Sound becomes alien. Life becomes wrong. Creatures down there don't look designed. They look accidental. Transparent bodies, glowing mouths, eyes bigger than faces. Some fish produce their own lights because the sun has never touched them. If a human fell there, your lungs collapses, your blood boils, your bones bend. The ocean isn't water, it's another planet wearing Earth's skin. Humans were meant for land, not endless black pressure. Number 3. Microscope reality. Now go the opposite direction. Smaller. Under a microscope, nothing is solid. Your skin is mountains of cell. Your blood is crowded highways. Your body is a moving civilization. Bacteria live on your face, inside your mouth, inside your lungs. Some help you, some wait. Every second, millions of organisms crawl on your body without permission. You don't feel them, you don't see them, because if you did, humans wouldn't sleep. Reality is alive, at scales your mind was never meant to notice. Number 4. Earth's core. Below your feet is hell. Scientifically, the Earth's core is hotter than the sun's surface. 4,000 to 6,000 degrees Celsius. Solid iron flows like water. Pressure crushes atoms together. If humans could see underground, we would realize we live on a thin skin, floating over fire. We are not standing on Earth, we are suffering it. Civilization is built on a shell thinner than a fingernail compared to the planets. Humans weren't meant to realize how fragile our home really is. Number 5. Black holes. A black hole isn't a hole. Its gravity is so strong that reality bends. Time slows. Light curves. Space collapses. If you fell into one, your body stretches into atoms. Spaghettified, not killed, rewritten. Inside a black hole, physics stops making sense. Cause and effects break. Past and future blur. Humans evolved for linear time. not collapsing universes. That's why when scientists study black holes, they don't feel smart, they feel scared. Number 6. The age of reality. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. Your entire life is less than one blink in cosmic time. Dinosaurs existed for millions of years. Stars born for billions. Galaxies drift forever. Human history is barely visible on the timeline of existence. When people truly imagine that, their ego dissolves. You're not important to the universe, you're temporary inside it. Humans weren't meant to understand how short consciousness really is. Number 7. Planets that shouldn't exist. Some planets rain glass sideways. Some burn at thousands of degrees. Some have oceans of lava or winds faster than sound. There's a planet where it's always night, another where metal clouds rain iron. If humans landed there, your skin peels, your lungs melt, your blood evaporates. Earth is rare. Most of reality is hostile. Seeing our planet makes humans realize life isn't normal. It's lucky. Number 8. The limits of human perception. Humans see less than 1% of reality. We can't see radio waves. We can't see infrared. We can't see magnetic fields. Some animals can. Sharks see electricity. Bees see ultraviolet. Snakes see heat. Meaning right now, your room is full of information you are blind to. Reality is layered. Humans only get a preview. We think we see the world, but we only see the version our brains allows. Number 9. Yourself from the outside. Have you ever heard your recorded voice? It sounds wrong, because the voice you hear isn't the one others hear. Same with your face. Mirrors reverse you, photos expose you. Your real appearance exists only in other people's mind. You live inside a character you never fully see. Humans weren't meant to observe themselves objectively. It destabilizes identity. That's why people feel strange watching themselves on video. You realize, I am a thing, not just a thought. Number 10. Nothingness. Now, imagine nothing. No space, no time, no light, no laws. Your brain fails immediately because consciousness requires contrast. When people try to imagine true nothingness, panic sneaks in. The mind needs something. Even darkness is something. Nothing is mentally illegal. Humans evolved to exist in environments, not absence. That's why the idea of non-existence feels heavier than death. Humans like control. We like familiarity. But reality doesn't belong to us. We are visitors inside a universe that existed long before thoughts and will continue after memory. Some things aren't meant to scare us. They are meant to remind us we are small, we are lucky, we are temporary. And consciousness itself is the strangest thing humans were ever allowed to see. Because the most unsettling truth isn't what's out there, is that somehow you're aware of it.